Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon Seller Central for growth strategy, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Amazon Seller Central website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. Click on the sign in button to access your account. If you have two-step verification enabled, check your registered device for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the appropriate field. Click on Continue to proceed. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Seller Central dashboard. Explore the different sections, including Home, Inventory, and Orders. Review important notifications or alerts displayed on the dashboard. Consider setting up your business profile if you haven't already. Access the Settings tab to update account information, payment methods, or shipping settings. Visit the Performance tab to monitor your account's health metrics. Utilize the Marketing section to explore promotional strategies. Check the Reports section for insights into sales performance. Regularly review the Help section for resources and support. After familiarizing yourself with the platform, begin developing your growth strategy. Identify your target audience and market trends. Evaluate your current inventory and assess opportunities for expansion. Explore various advertising options available within Seller Central. Consider implementing Amazon's FBA program if you haven't yet. Adjust your strategies based on performance data gathered from reports. Continuously refine your approach to maximize growth opportunities. Remember to stay updated on Amazon policy changes that could affect your business. Implement your growth strategy and monitor results as you progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.